Hi everyone, how's it going and welcome to episode 8. In episode 7, I taught you how to make steak and chips Dee's way. I hope you were able to try out the recipe. Today is a different day. I've got a special guest, okay? Before I tell you who the special guest is though, I'm going to tell you what they brought for me and then we'll get into it. Here we have puff puff and here we have some delicious cockayam soup with cowfoot, gizzard, stockfish, and we've also got some delicious moi moi. We've also got some unripe plantains. I'm going to leave this out. Very, very essential. Okay, so let me introduce my special guest to you. Okay, so Foodies, this is my lovely mother. She helped me out with my supper club. She's my support system. She brought me all the goodies. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Diane's mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, so are you ready for us to start cooking now?
Yes.
Okay, let's get to it. So I said fish.
And I say salmon.
So tell us a little bit more about what that's going to look like today.
Okay, what it will look like. The salmon, I'm going to marinate it in the chopped tomatoes and onions, of course with seasoning, baked in the oven. And that will go with boiled new potatoes.
I'm also going to add some lamb to that as well. Okay, so we have got an array of seasoning here. We've got the salmon here, this is 400 grams.
I'm gonna, marinate the salmon. I've got my onion, chopped tomatoes. Okay, I'll be seasoning the salmon with fish seasoning. You
And how much should I add of this?
A spoon of fish seasoning.
Alright, is that enough?
Yes.
Alright.
Paprika. Okay, I've got paprika, garlic powder, garlic granules.
Okay, so
and
that
is it.
That's basically like a teaspoon, just under.
White pepper.
Okay, that's the
and
white
this
pepper.
is the pepper.
So that's basically half a teaspoon.
And finish it with mixed herb.
Alright, so what are you doing now?
I'm mixing the salmon with all the ingredients together.
Okay.
I'm combining everything together now.
So before we get onto the lamb, we're just going to put these on to boil. Okay, Foodies, so the corn is done. And this actually boiled for about, what would you say, about 15 minutes? Okay. Yeah. Alright, the next thing for us to do is to make our marinade for the lamb chops. Okay, so we've got the blended marinade here with the fresh herbs and garlic. Now I'm going to let my mum do the honours and to season the meat, okay? She seasons to perfection. Go on, what do we have?
Okay, we have ginger powder here.
Okay. We've got lamb seasoning. I want a bit of lamb in there as well.
That's enough.
Last but not the least, we've got extra hot chili powder. Don't make it too spicy.
No.
This is not soup.
And that's it, because we don't want it to be too hot.
I'm just going to go in and just give it a mix. And then can you help me by adding in that seasoning as well, please? Now it's ready to be pan fried. Okay, Mommy, thank you very much for coming onto my show and for being a guest. I must say, the sauce does taste nice. So if you're going to recreate this recipe, you are in for a treat. Mommy, can you tell me how long you ended up cooking this in the end?
I ended up cooking it for 32 minutes.
Okay. Why so long?
Yeah, because of the onion in it and the tomato.
Okay.
To break down properly,
Mm-hmm.
not to taste very raw.
Okay.
So, and it has turned out very good.
Really? Okay, good. So what's our next step then?
The next step is to plate it.
Okay. And now it's time
to taste it.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
It's quite good.
This
Tasty.
is delicious.
So foodies, that's episode 8 for you. Once again, happy Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to you, Mummy.
Thank you very much.
A mother of 5.
Thank you.
Okay, looking good.
Thank you.
And we've recreated this nice, tasty, wholesome recipe. Okay, see you again in episode 9.
Bye. I'm here for business, please.
Just wait.
Very juicy.
Stop that. Let me stop this. Let me just eat this. There's a production break.
Garlic.
That's not garlic. Do it again.
Yeah. Maybe back a bit. Yeah. Ooh.
Look at that. Look at that consistency.
She might belly up over you.
I'm just on production break. It's pretty good, isn't it? Okay, like you didn't cook it.
Sorry.
You can't be
So you like a second. We'll do that.
No.
Yeah, no, okay. A second. Okay.
Okay, because you just
Position.